Coach, very bad result tonight. 4-0 loss. The first half was where he lost the game. Defensively, it just didn't seem organized today.
Definitely. First half, we lost the game. We started out lethargic. I always remind the team how we started the game. And in the first 15 minutes, that is how we started. We started slow, lethargic, and Arnett capitalized and did what they need to do. The simple things to win the game.
You're more happy about the second half?
A better second half, more vibrant, more energy. We could have pulled back once we get back one goal. The game could have turned different, but unfortunately, it didn't win that way.
How do you recover from this? Because you certainly don't want to get caught in situations that, like what happened last season, where you were too far off the pace, weren't able to contend, and obviously there are efforts at the club to be contenders this season. How do you ensure that you stay within touching distance very early?
Very early, but we have to keep the players motivated. It's early days in the season. As we have to do, we have to prepare, we have to plan, keep working, and we'll have the next game.
Okay.
All right.